Hello students, this is our 11th chapter, that is enhancement of food production. In the previous part of the video, we have studied about animal husbandry, animal breeding, inbreeding, outbreeding, fishery. We have studied about many things. In this part of the video, we will start with a new topic, that is sericulture. Sericulture is a branch of applied zoology which deals with rearing of silkworm and production of silk. The silk what we get, that is produced by a sericulture. Like other farming, sericulture also involves skill and scientific knowledge for rearing and development. As we have studied in poultry farming, animal breeding, so there we need some skill to handle that type of agriculture, that type of culture. In this part, sericulture also involves skill and scientific knowledge for rearing and development. It requires less investment and can be started in small scale. Clear, students? It is the oldest business and large number of families are associated with the production of silk in India. It is the oldest business and large number of families are associated with the production of silk in India. Disabled, older person, handicapped people can also do this job and they are very much successful in this job. Then the best quality of silk is called mulberry silk. This is very important for exam point of view. And mulberry silk is produced by a silkworm named Bombaxi mori. While Tusar silk, Eri silk are of inferior quality. The quality and quantity of silk depend on the quality of mulberry leaves on which the larvae feed. जितना वो लार्वे फीड करता है मलबरी लीव्स पे, उस पे डिसाइड होता है कि क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी ऑफ सिल्क कैसी आएगी. Rearing, development and looking after the silkworms involves skill and labor for constant watch. A little negligence can spoil the complete industry. If a little negligence also happened, because of that little negligence, the complete industry will be in loss. Silkworm larvae may be infected by protozoa, viruses, and fungi. Beside this, ant, cows, birds, and other predators are ready to attack these insects. Hence, the cages of this larvae must be managed to prevent predators' attack. Then, this is the life cycle. See, this is the life cycle of silk moth. First, it is a leaves जहाँ पे predators है. फिर उसके बाद वो एक worm बनता है. उसके बाद cocoon, then butterfly. So this is the life cycle of silk moth, that is mulberry silkworm. It is very important for exam point of view. Adult female, eggs on mulberry leaves, then dorsal, स्पेरिकल्स, मैच्योर कैटरपिलर बनता है एग्स से. फिर वहाँ पे से एग कुकून बनता है. कुकून फिर बनता है अडल्ट फीमेल जो कि हमारा बटरफ्लाई है. सो दिस इज़ द लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ सिल्क मॉथ. देन कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है लैक कल्चर. लैक इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एन इंसेक्ट ट्रचार्डिया लेका. which is quite small in size and colonial in habit. Resins-like substances produced by dermal glands of female leg insect. Insect feeds on succulent twigs of certain plants like bear, peepal, pallis, kusum, babul, etc. and secretes pink colored resin that hardened on coming in contact with air forming lac. It is produced on a large scale all over India. What is lac? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट लैक इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय एन इंसेक्ट जिसका नाम है ट्रचार्डिया लेका, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा होता है साइज़ में एंड इट इज़ कॉलोनियल इन हैबिट. क्लियर? देन resin-like substances produced by dermal glands of female leg insect. resin-like कुछ substance produce होता है. फिर जो इंसेक्ट है वो फीड करते हैं ऑन सेक्यूलेंट ट्विग्स ऑफ सर्टेन प्लांट्स जैसे बेर, पीपल, पैलिस, कुसुम, बाबुल एक्सेट्रा, एंड देन दे सिक्रेट पिंक कलर्ड रेजिन that hardens on coming in contact with air forming lac. It is produced on large scale all over India. Lac is a very complex substance, बहुत ज़्यादा complex substance है, having large amount of resin together with sugar, water, mineral, alkaline substance. Then natural lac is always contaminated shellac. नेचुरल लैक जो होता है वो हमेशा contaminated होता है. Shellac is pure form of lac obtained by washing and filtering. सिर्फ वॉश करते हैं लैक को और फिर उसे फिल्टर करते हैं. किसे? शेलैक को. शेलैक इज़ द वेरी प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ लैक. लैक इंसेक्ट is a native of India and our share is 85% of the total lac produced in the world. Product of lac play a very vital role in the economy of the farmers. Lac is used in bangles, toys, woodwork, inks, mirror, etc. Production of lac requires an artificial inoculation of plants. Production of lac requires an artificial inoculation of plant which gives better and regular supply of good quality and quantity of lac. So clear with this, students, what is lac culture and how it is produced. Shellac is pure form of lac, very important. Shellac is pure form of lac which is used, जो सिर्फ वॉशिंग और फिल्टरिंग, लैक को वॉश और फिल्टर करके बनाया जाता है. देन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ लैक, जितने भी प्रोडक्ट है लैक के, they all play a very vital role in the economy of the farmer. Important point. Lac is used in bangles, toys, woodwork, inks, mirror, etc. Moving to the next slide. ये है life cycle of lac insect. एक झाड़ है जहाँ पे लीव्स है, वहाँ पे लार्वे सेटल हुए ऑन होस्ट. फिर क्या हुआ? उस लार्वे से इनकम्प्लीट मेटामॉर्फोसिस हुआ. फिर आउट फ्रॉम मेल अपार्कुलम अडल्ट फीमेल एक से हुआ और एक क्या किया, वो फर्टिलाइज नहीं हुआ और वो वापस से ट्री पे ही चले गया. फिर वहाँ पे एंड ऑफ लेग्स लेइंग फिर उसने हैच किया, फिर उसने लार्वे बनाया, एंड that larvae is helpful for us, for humans, because that lag is so much in use that it is produced in bangles. It is used in bangles, legs, toys, woodworks, inks, mirror, etc. तो ये है लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ लेग इंसेक्ट. दिस साइकिल इज very important. Okay.